see. Redneck Outdoor Channel.
So old Maddie found her a couple of 4-leaf clovers there. 3 of them. It's pretty cool. And we just found this one here. Well, I done turned my back on it, so it's gone now. Lost it, but where was it? Oh, there it is right there. Look at this here. That is one stem. It's got one stem on it, but it's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and a half. Let's pick it. Just picked it, freshly picked. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and a half. It's a 4-leaf clover with an extra little kicker there, and then a half a kicker. So that's pretty neat. All coming out of that one stem there. Rip's not very good at finding them. Get you another one? You're on it today. Well, Beth's gonna figure it out. Well, Boo Boo, she gonna figure out how to find them too. I don't know, a bunch of them seem to grow around here. Or maybe we're just good at finding them. I don't know, but do seem to find a lot of them, huh? Probably found, there's one right there. Rip about stepped on it. Right there.
Oh, yep.
4-leafer. That's lucky too. I think it's supposed to be lucky to find the 4-leaf clover before St. Patrick's Day. If you find one before St. Patrick's Day, then it's lucky, or something along those lines. When's St. Patrick's Day, baby? This weekend?
I think it's Sunday.
This Sunday, St. Patrick's Day. Well, tomorrow, yeah. Today's Saturday,
Yeah.
so I guess these are lucky then, huh? Pretty good little clover patch right here. There's one right there too. See that? 4-leaf clover.
Why is there so many in one little spot?
I don't know. What do you got in your hand?
I've got 1, 2, 3, 4.
She's got 4 4-leaf clovers. I've got 2 and a 5.5-leaf clover here. Pretty neat. But we got a little book we stick them in just for the heck of it, because we find so many of them. But so here's our book. We just put these clovers in, and I mean, there's some pages that might be full of them. They're all 4-leaf or more leaf. There might be some 5s and 6-leaf clovers in there that we found, but mostly all 4-leaf. But you just stick them in there flat. You can laminate them. I had one laminated a long time ago that I found, a great big one. But I always like to put them in like this, but I don't think it makes much difference.
Oh, I guess it doesn't really. That'd be easier. Oh, no.
It seems like it's easier to push them down, but this is that 5.5-leaf clover. I don't know how well it'll press, but stick them in that book right between the pages there. Make sure they're spread out good and flat, and close it up, and then in the cabinet it goes. Okay, so apart from finding 4-leaf clovers today, we're gonna trim up on the old pecan tree. It's spring has sprung, or spring is springing. Sprunging. But spring be springing. But we got to get around to trimming this pecan tree, because we should have already done it. Should have done it a couple of months ago, cutting it back. But past couple of years, it's put on a lot of pecans. But the problem is the weevils get them every year. It's these little worms that come up out of the ground and they go get up in them pecans. They burr into them or bore into them or whatever, and so it'll put on a lot of pecans. It'll be loaded, but every one of them will be rotten, have a hole in them with bugs done got in there and ate everything. So we got to quit neglecting the trees. We got to get on them. And so what we're going to do is we're going to trim all the low limbs and pick up the brush, haul all the brush off away from it, and make sure we keep good and mowed underneath it. And then we bought this tree shield. It's an insect barrier. It's just kind of a double-sided sticky tape that we'll take and wrap around the trunk of it. This particular tree here, we'll wrap this around the trunk of it in several spots so no bugs can crawl up the trunk of the tree. And then all these low limbs like this one right here, it's got it's head high, so that's 6 foot limb. This is probably 5 foot off the ground. So we'll trim all these back and just probably up about as high as I can reach, a little higher. And then we'll make sure and keep all this grass mowed short, because what they'll do is they'll come out of the ground and they'll come up off the top of the grass. And this grass gets tall, especially when these limbs are loaded with pecans, and they get real heavy and they sag way down. And so then bugs will come up off the grass and get on the limb, or they'll go up to the trunk of the tree.
Probably ain't been started in a while.
No, Muddy, put me down. Put me down, baby. Put me down. Basically, if I can reach up and grab the limb, then I'm cutting it back.
Yeah.
It's high enough, I can't grab it.
Hank, look, Hank.
I ain't worried about it. Remove all this brush, and then we'll keep mowed underneath it, and I think we'll be all right. I got that tree wrap stuff too. I think I'm gonna try to cut this and right both of those limbs right there, I think.
Yeah, let me have that, man.
I want that one right up above this. I don't reckon Osha'd like this much.
Huh?
But I don't reckon Osha'd like this much.
No. Nope, they want you to be in a basket with the harness on. The bucket works a little better than that does, really.
I know. This works a lot better for picking up that brush. Move a whole pile like that.
Oh, yeah. There's Pebbies. They're my pebbers. We've been pebbers. Now half choke it.
Half choke it. I'm gonna try to get that big dead limb out of there. I think I'm gonna climb up in here and see if I can anyways. I ain't got very good climbing boots on, but we'll see. Fuck brown bear or something. I'm a white bear.
Come here out of the way.
Okay, this is the dead one here.
Get over here.
Rip, move it.
Come on, Pep, get over here. Get over here, out the road. We just falls on you. Come here.
It's in there pretty good.
Yeah. Come here, Peps. Come here, boy. Let him get you there. Zizi, watch out now. Watch out, Zizi. Zizi, get over here. Duck.
Yeah. You get a little bit farther, I can sit on that Y and I'll feel a lot safer.
Yeah, this guy's hitting on this limb up here, but it should still push. Looks like.
Yeah.
You don't want to look at it.
A little like nuts coming down, looks like.
Yeah.
Damn it.
There's a couple of dead ones in there too.
Bam Bam. Get over here. Bam Bam. Zizi.
I just stand up on the limb you're on there and walk out there and pick it up off of there.
How you doing, Zizi?
Zizi, get over here. I'll tell you how to do it, but you know. Go on over there, Pep.
Yeah, I was going.
Yeah, I can stand up on that limb right there and just. I got the wrong boots on for that, they look like slick.
Yeah, they ain't very good climbing boots for sure.
Yeah, hang on that one right. Yeah, right there.
I think we got it. No, not quite.
Won't quite go over that broken limb there.
Zizi. Can we cut the broken limb real quick, baby? You put it on the tractor and then we can push that off.
Yeah.
Yeah, like wear me out.
Get up on that. Yes, I'll take it. Let it talk. Well, maybe you can be there to go that way with it.
Come on.
Don't nobody get under it. Come on, damn it.
He's down to go. Looks like it is, anyway.
Yeah. Let's see if I can pull it up and over this. Down here. Okay. You know, I don't know why I didn't just pull the tractor over here to get up in this tree.
I don't know. It's been easier.
There it goes.
these here. You ever put this stuff on it similar to what you had?
Yeah, a little wider than what I had, but yeah.
Wider?
Oh, it's not tough.
4 rows.
Oh, okay.
2 rows.
Yeah. Yeah, that had looked like that.
You take a roll and I'll take a roll.
I've never used this. The stuff I have is more like a bandage type stuff you put on there, and then you take the glue and put on the glue on it.
This is a sticky on one side there, I guess. Here, well, let's
What
just
does it
put
do?
one on here.
Right, so it goes on the
Wrap it
sticky
around.
side out.
Yeah.
Okay.
You hold that in.
Okay.
I'll
Easy enough.
Wrap it like this here. Well, say easy enough. Rips easy enough, don't it?
I guess it does. In the wind here. Didn't think it'd be that easy to break, but I guess maybe it is.
Yeah, I'm not real fond of it, to be honest with you. I think we're going to find something else.
And a few wraps around it, maybe it might stay. I don't know.
Wrap it all on around there.
You have to keep wrapping around a couple times so it's kind of
Like that, and then just
keep going and go around another time. I mean, that's what I do.
yeah,
Yeah.
about 2 rolls around it.
Maybe it'll stay long enough before it's about July. Oh, you got a bug on it right there.
It does. I already caught one bug. It works, I guess.
It's like a mosquito or something.
A little gnat, huh?
It's like easier to rip, though. It may not stay on there. I don't know.
Yeah, I don't know how long it's going to last.
I don't need it.
What's that stuff you put on the Christmas tree called?
Garland, like garland.
Garland, that's what we do. We'll just wrap it like garland.
It almost like a put on for wrapping your arm for wounds and stuff like that. That's what it looked like. Gauze or something like that's what it kind of was, and then you put your sticky stuff on it. You
All
wrap
that
it on
stuff
it.
you put on it a couple years ago.
Yeah.
We got pecans off it that year when we tried to take care of the bugs, you know.
Yeah. I'm just going to see what it does. It's already got a bug over here.
So it's sticky.
There's another one right here, a little bitty gnat. Another one got on there. I don't see anything wrong with that. It's got bugs on it. I mean,
the wind don't blow it off of there. I think it will.
it's already got.
See what it does, all we did.
It's already catching bugs, so.
And we might get some
He's
more
stuck
wrapping
there.
glue.
Well, we got our tree trimmed up and trimmed back, and we got some wrap on it there. And all we got left to do is pick up a few more little limbs and come back through and mow under it real short. Keep it mowed under all summer long, and we should get some pecans this year. Hopefully we get a lot of them. Alright guys, if you like this video or this style of video, we're going to be doing a lot of stuff around the farm. Like I said, just hit subscribe, comment what you'd like to see, or go ahead and like this video, and we'll just keep these kind of videos coming. Just go to our channel and click on the playlist homesteading. That's where we'll be putting these style videos, just whatever we're doing around the farm.